Alright guys, let's start off with getting rid of some conveyors here. We gotta make some room for all these containers to come on in. So I got one of the guys stripping down our conveyors here. Get that all packed up. Those have been already sold to with lobster fishery.
So we got 12 containers coming in every other day over 6 days. So this video we're gonna see about 4 containers coming in and unloaded. We're gonna see the riggers bringing out the edge banders on this first container. So in the background in a bunch you'll see me and the guys working a little bit on some of our equipment, getting the last few jobs out the door. And a lot of the footage will be the riggers working away here. So you can see the first edge bander has come off the truck. And here we go. Now I've got a brand new office way up high, so I've managed to go up there and get a camera set up every single day to get a nice overhead shot of the factory. So more and more packages coming in here. Majority of all these skids that you guys are going to be seeing are conveyors, because this is a automated line where the equipment is doing the work, but we are no longer feeding the parts in and out of the machines. There's an entire loop going around. If you haven't seen the previous video where I go over the drawing and walk you through every step of the way, I'll put the link to that in the description below so you guys can check that out or revisit it if you're interested. But we will be showing it off complete very shortly. I also have videos from China of it running fully before it shipped, so I've yet to put those up online as well. So you can see off to the right, you know, I've got a couple guys cutting parts and edge banding some things. There's a scissor lift booming around. You'll see that's the dust collection pipes going up already on some of it. We're getting probably early afternoon here. It looks like time-wise, the riggers got 2 forklifts just running back and forth. There's a team of 3 guys there just pulling them off and keeping the equipment flying out of there. So there's a ton of conveyors and a ton of packaging, as you can see here. We ended up filling our cube van up about 7 times, floor to ceiling, front to back, just with foam and plastic and packaging materials, just from the shipping of this entire line. So the riggers, outstanding work. Here you can see hooking everything up, dragging it back, emptying those containers lengthways without a dock. They really had to put a little more work into it than just driving in. There's a pedestal for a robot that just came off. There, this is one of the big computers that controls everything there. There's about 5 of those computer towers in the whole cell as well. There, get a close-up of these machines. Of course, we got Joey in the background there making something. But there's the first edge bander in place. Dual glue pot, dual feeder area. We'll go more in depth on the machine in another video. But I believe now that's been 3 out of 4 containers for the day, as you're seeing now. Just a big mess up there in the shop. We don't have space outside the factory, so we really just had to get everything unloaded, put it in our way, shuffle it around every day. So I will cut around a lot of that footage, and just so you guys can see things getting put in place where it's gotta go. But the riggers are done. That's all 4 containers. And it's just the last little bit of my team working away there. So I'll see you in the next one. Oh, what a crazy first day there, guys. We got some production happening alongside all this stuff coming in. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the new overhead view. I managed to get a camera right up there on the office, beaming down, so we get a nice steady camera instead of me always moving tripods like we did on phase 1. So let me know in the comments how much you like that. You know, let us know. If you're excited for this project like we are, there's lots more to come, so stick around.